we're looking at some interval notation. So we've got a couple little diagrams. We're going to look at how we would write that. So when we're doing our interval notation, we are using either box brackets or curve brackets. So here we've got the numbers between -1 and 2. The open circle means it doesn't include the 2, so we use a curve bracket for that one. The -1 is a closed circle, so that means it does include the -1. So when we write in interval notation, we have the box bracket with the -1 and then the curve bracket with the 2. Here we've got two different things happening here. So we've got the -1 to infinity. So we have our curve bracket for the -infinity and curve bracket for the -1. And we also have the box bracket for the 2, and it's going up to positive infinity. Another option if we were using an x would be that x is less than -1 and greater than or equal to 2, which is another way of doing it. But if we're talking interval notation, we generally want the closed bracket, the box brackets, curve brackets scenarios.